Wonderful morning, everybody. There are many groups that offer forex signals out there. You can check them on social media, Instagram, Facebook. You can check them. There are so many pages that offer signals, but none other than this group. This group is the best, guys. This group is the best group. We've decided to reduce the price to 150 rands for only 30 days access. For only 30 days access, $10 for international clients, 150 rands for local clients. Now, this is just to celebrate our birthday. We are combining 2 years for FX champions. We've been around for 2 years, helping people, changing lives. So, guys, we want to give you this opportunity to join the group. This opportunity comes once, guys. It comes once in a year. This is the only opportunity that you'll ever get like this. Now, look at this. It will be available up until the 30th of April 2021. So, guys, we are giving you this opportunity to join the winning team. If you don't take this opportunity, it's up to you. It's up to you. If you don't take this opportunity, then it's your loss. We are celebrating our birthday, so we are giving you the opportunity. Contact me on WhatsApp on this number. Contact me on WhatsApp on this number here. Now, let me not just talk. I want to show results as well. As you know me, I always show results. Now, as you know, we are very transparent in our group. I will show you all the profits and the losses. I won't hide anything. I won't hide anything. I will be showing you everything. So as you can see, we have 111 members in the group. So become one of them. Become one of them. As you can see, let me just focus the camera for you. As you can see, people performance. As you can see, we all in. As you can see, I won't be hiding anything. I will be showing you exactly how it is. As you can see. Now it's into profit. As you saw this one, it was still in a loss. Is this one? Is this one? It was still in a loss. Then it's in profit. As you can see, it's in profit. Before and after. As you can see, let me just zoom in. You can see profits. As you can see, profits, more profits. As you can see, more profits, more buy. You see. As you can see, more profits that are happening in the group, more profits. So I won't be hiding anything. I will show even in a loss. Let's see. Great profits. I'll be showing everything, guys. Look at that. So I don't just talk. I show results. As you can see, more profits. This was a sale, a very great sale. It's sold. As you can see. So guys, we don't just talk, we show results. So now let's show you guys. Let's continue. As you can see, for yourself, you see. Look at that. Join the group, guys. It's only 150 rands, or rather $10. Yeah, as you can see, more results. Okay, so there was a loss. As you can see, like I said, I will be showing both sides, profit and loss. Yeah, as you can see, more profits of the day. More profit. We killed Nasdaq. Yesterday. We killed Nasdaq. Nasdaq was killed, was murdered. So that's about it, guys. If you want to join, you know what you have to do. You have to pay this 150 rands. Contact me on my WhatsApp number to pay this much, or $10 for international clients. Get access for 30 days. And then now you're celebrating with us, FX champions, for turning 2 years. Now, thank you, guys. Take care for now. Cheers.